In the last 5 years, our business has grown considerably through various acquisitions. As a parent company, we run SAP, but our subsidiaries came with a patchwork of finance packages and aging business management systems, which was creating operational complexity. So when it came to quarterly financial consolidation or looking at sales performance across our various entities, it was a nightmare to collate, consolidate and report the data, especially given the number of local currencies we transact in. The situation was becoming untenable, so we started looking for a cost-effective way to achieve better control and coordination of our activities. We chose SAP Business One because it's purpose-built for the needs of growing businesses and subsidiaries. It has best practices baked in, yet it gives us the flexibility to adapt the software to our business needs and preferences. Implementing the intercompany integration solution for SAP Business One allowed us to bring together sales, purchasing, stock, distribution and financial information all in one place, which has enabled us to standardize core processes across the group. Now I can look at financial performance across all of our business units in one easy-to-understand report, without my team having to stay late in the office doing painful, labor-intensive reconciliation. By eliminating duplicate data entry, we can be confident that records like supplier data, bills of materials and price lists are consistent and error-free. It's as if all our entities speak a common language. SAP Business One also supports international trading in all the currencies we deal in, and many more besides. The biggest advantage for me is the day-to-day visibility I now have over the businesses, instead of lurching from one quarter to the next. And I'm hearing great things from our subsidiaries, which now benefit from the independence they need to be flexible, with the reassurance of centralized oversight and control from head office. With SAP Business One, we're not just interfacing, we're integrated.